Is Windows 10 really dead? Microsoft says updates officially ended on October 14, but let's be honest, did they really stop? Nope. You can still grab free security updates for another full year. Thanks to Microsoft's Extended Security Updates program, Windows 10 isn't done yet. Want to keep Windows 10 secure even after the deadline? Or just tired of Windows 11 and want that clean, classic Windows 10 feel back? Stick around, this video's for you. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, quick one. Extended security updates is Microsoft's way of keeping Windows 10 alive until October 2026. You can still get all the important security patches during this time. It's legit, it's simple, and in most cases, it's free. The only thing you need to do is sign up. But before we touch anything, let's do something smart first. Back it up. Trust me, this step can save you a lot of headaches later. I'm using 4DDig Partition Manager. Here, it's fast, reliable, and lets you clone your system, files, disk, or partition in just a few clicks. Just hit the link in the description and install it. Once it's open, click on the backup option on the left side. Select the disk or partition you want to back up. Select an external hard drive as the backup location, click Start Backup, and wait. Now, even if something goes sideways later, your data is safe and easy to recover. Alright, now that your data is safe, let's get your ESU set up. Head over to Windows, Update in Settings. Look for the Enroll Now button. It might show up right below Check for Updates or off to the side. Click it, then hit Next. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Don't worry, you can always switch back to a local account later. We'll cover that in a sec. If this is your first time, it'll say Enroll and confirm it's free. If you've done this on another device, it'll say Add Device, still free. Sometimes you might see paid options, but stick with the free one. That's all you need. Once you're enrolled, you'll see confirmation in the Windows Update menu. So if you don't want your Microsoft account tied to your PC all the time, here's how to go local again without losing your ESU access. Go to Settings, then Accounts. Under your info, look for the option that says Stop signing in to Microsoft apps automatically. Click that. Windows will switch you right back to a local account. No reinstalling, no hassle. And yeah, your ESU enrollment stays active. You don't lose anything. Now, what if you've already upgraded to Windows 11 and just don't like it? You can try a rollback within 10 days. Click Start, then Settings, System, Recovery. Under Recovery Options, look for Go Back. If it's clickable, great, click it and follow the prompts. If that button's grayed out, no worries, we'll just reinstall manually. Head over to Microsoft's download page. The direct ISO download isn't available anymore, but you can still get it officially through the Media Creation tool. Hit Download here. Once downloaded, run it, select Keep Personal Files and Apps in this step, and let it reinstall. Yeah, it takes a bit longer, but you'll have a clean, stable Windows 10 again. Plus, you can reapply your ESU right after. And that's a wrap for today. Don't forget, a solid backup is your safety net. That's why I started with 4DDig Partition Manager. Quick, reliable, and honestly, one of those tools you'll thank yourself for when stuff goes sideways. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, no-fluff tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.